In this video, I am going to explain how you can ask a question from your followers through your Instagram story. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I want to create a new story. So I swipe right, and down here you want to make sure that it's on story. And here, by tapping on create, as you can see, you could either type something or mention someone or maybe add a GIF. And you can even adjust the background, change the color. And let's say I want to make it just white. And now if I tap on it once, it will become a still picture. And now if I tap on this sticker button, as you can see, I can add location or mention someone, add music, add a GIF, and this one says question, so I'm going to tap on that. And here it says ask me a question. You can just write whatever question you have, like maybe how is the weather today? Let's assume for a second that is the real question I have from people, so I'm just going to type it like that. And you could either change the color, like you could make it black or pink or purple or whatever you like. And you can even adjust it like that, make it bigger, make it crooked, or whatever you want. You could either add some other things to it other than changing the background. Maybe you want to add more stickers like this. Also here you can ask a question like from 1 to 10. How good is the weather today? From 1 to 10, how good is the weather today? And I'm just going to tap done, and just like that. You can also change the color of this one too. You can even change the emoji, like here, let's say I want to choose sun. Oh, there's no sun. How about sunny? No? Snowy? Nothing? Okay. Weather, cloud, something. Come on, Instagram. Okay, that is a bit weird. I think there is a limitation to what emojis we can use and ask me a question. So maybe I will just choose. Still, I'm trying to find the sun. Okay, it's weird. When I searched for it, I didn't actually find it. But maybe I want to put this one and tap done. So as you can see, you can ask questions from your followers on your Instagram story. And once you tap on your story or here, your story, oh, sorry, this is actually for Facebook. If you just tap on your story, it will be uploaded, and make sure you subscribe for more.